Now let me show you a smart factory application. This solution here shows the integration compatibility of AVerMedia AI box with MVTech Halcon software and Bachelor USB camera. Basically, MVTech Halcon software package and Bachelor cameras have been integrated into NVIDIA Jetson platform here. And with the highest computing power and low power consumption of NVIDIA Jetson Xavier, this AVerMedia AI box PC, the AA713, can improve 30 to 50% overall inspection performance. And that really helps customers to fix the problems of lacking manpower and reduce their training cost with this kind of application. Now comes a smart traffic application. So here you have an IronYun AI NVR, which provides a simple, intuitive user interface with video analytics capability for fast, efficient detection, recognition, and search of video objects in multiple video streams or storage devices. And the good point is that with the NVIDIA Jetson TX2 and IronYun deep learning solutions, we can achieve around 98% accuracy for certain tasks, including vehicle detection and recognition. And from these solutions, it's definitely easier to achieve vehicle search, counting, and detection from existing video surveillance systems for smart city applications. So now you have a smart retail application. So typically for smart retail, a customer expects to get useful business data with minimum cost and effort. This solution you see here uses an AVerMedia AI box PC, the EN7113, with NVIDIA Jetson Nano module, and it's packaged with Astro NVR software for human detection and counting application. And the good point is that with ONVIF compliance and PoE function, this AI box PC can be quickly deployed in an existing IP surveillance system thanks to the ONVIF protocol compatibility. Finally, here comes a remote monitoring application. So as you know, in AI IoT world, usually the purpose of deploying devices with AI capabilities is not only to replace manpower, but to enhance the operation efficiency in the field. So consequently, the most important task is when distributing these devices to ensure that they can all perform properly in any circumstances. So with Allxon's device management solution, which is integrated with AVerMedia solution, all AVerMedia's devices can be remotely controlled and monitored in one portal from the cloud. So from the beginning of provisioning to devices monitoring, to devices controlling, troubleshooting, software updating, to project retirement, Allxon solution can really support the partner's business in the whole project lifestyle.